This is G. Brooke Zeck from Outlier Automation. I'm down here in Southern California for the Staubli Open House in Cypress, and I'm here with Jose from Biosero. Can you tell me a little bit about your company and what you guys do?
Sure. My name is Jose Ocampo. I'm the Western Regional Sales Manager for Biosero. We are a laboratory automation solutions provider, mainly for the biotech and pharmaceutical industries. We create work cells for our customers for higher throughput, reliability, and our software is mainly designed to have great ease of use. So we have the scientists in mind, and they don't have to be IT engineers, they don't have to be automation engineers to be able to program their work cells for their automation.
Have you seen that this has been a big trend in the industry? Like, I don't think of like lab automation as like the thing that I always work on, but I'm coming from manufacturing. So like, when do they want to do this, and like, when does it make sense?
It makes sense when their customers are trying to achieve a higher throughput, more reliability, robustness, and also just data. They want their data to be consistent over time. The way to do that is through automating their processes. Their equipment that they're using is integratable into our software. And that's the key feature of our software, is the flexibility of being able to retrofit a system. Say like their project ends at a certain point and they need to mix it up and go to another project. It's easily done with our capabilities in our software.
So you were telling me earlier that the software part of it is like the easy part of what your solution. What makes it easy?
We take a lot of the functions that would have to be manually coded into a process, and we put it natively within their commands.
Gotcha. So like low code, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's why we call it a low-code, no-code environment.
Yeah.
That's actually one of our key phrases that we use. But also, we know that there's power users out there who want all the commands that they're able to get into the fine nitty-gritty and be able to change stuff and have total control of the functions. We allow our software to do that. Our customers do that within our software.
So, but why Staubli? Like, why are you guys here?
I love 6-axis robots. I think that is the next kind of generation of laboratory integrations. Is going to see more of these 6-axis robots out there. In my opinion, we do a lot of designs, and a limiting factor is the reach of the instrument. And being able to position the robot in different configurations from the top. Mm-hmm. That leaves the whole deck space open for integrations of our devices. That means we can shrink the footprint of the system for our customer. And
which
lab
I imagine
space
would be like very important in a
lab space is
right?
limited. Yeah, exactly.
So if someone wanted to get started with you, like, where do they go? Like, what's the process like?
They can come to our website, just fill out the simple form. One of our account reps will reach out. We have, I think, about 6 across the nation. We also have distributors all over the world and a European team. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you for telling me about Biosero, and nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.